on Southern cooking. How's that?
How about we make you a channel? For
I don't know.
cooking?
I don't know about that one, but
I'll be your cameraman. You be the cook.
well, I'd have to be the cook. You don't know nothing about Southern cooking.
This is true. Leave in the comments if you think Ma should make her own YouTube channel. Southern Cooking. Mom Southern Chicken.
A lot of y'all wouldn't be able to understand what the heck I was saying.
Watch, you're gonna get the comments flooded. Yeah, Ma should make a channel. If they do, we will make you one. Maybe even if they don't, we will.
Well, that'll have to be a while because I ain't doing it here where we're at.
Yeah, you guys will get the joys of watching her make it, and I'll get the joys of eating it. I got a win-win battle coming up.
And Robbie loves my cookies. Him and his dad used to stand by the stove waiting for me to take them out of the oven so they could eat them while they were still hot.
Well, yeah. That's when they're the best.
And I got a few people in my family that think I make the best apple pies ever.
Mm-hmm.
And I could show you all how to make peanut butter fudge, although I shouldn't. That's a secret recipe.
Top secret.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so good, guys. Peanut butter fudge. Look out. But yeah, it's kind of a good idea. You guys think Ma should make a channel? Drop it in a comment. She wants to do some kind of cooking channel or something.
Southern cooking only.
Southern cooking.
There's all kinds of Italians and all that kind of stuff on the internet. And, well, there's quite a few Southern people. This one woman I watch, I love her. She is real down home Southern.
You don't know her channel name to shout her out?
No, I don't. I wish I did. Because I would give her a shout out. She's wonderful. Me and her differ a little bit because I think she's from Alabama or something like that. I'm from Virginia, so the cooking methods are a little bit different, but not much. I know in my own family, I got people saying, "Oh, you can't cook like that anymore. It's not healthy." No, it probably ain't, but boy, does it taste good.
Yep.
Oh, Lord. This cold weather's starting to get to me.
Yeah, me too. But I think we're going to end this video right here. You guys, like I said, drop in a comment if Ma should make her own Southern cooking channel. And maybe we'll go from there and see if we can't get her a channel going. Till next time, guys. Thanks for gluing in.
Bye.
Bye.